Building a website for your kitchen remodeling business doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple website for your kitchen remodeling business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top quickly and search for our market, Kitchen Remodeler. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. That's our multi-sites. A few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you are operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing kitchens you have remodeled and created, and you want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You want to change it up a bit. That's completely okay. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my customers to see. I want to make sure that that's visible, so go ahead and check that box. Phone number is click to call. Physical location, maybe your business is mobile and you want to leave that off. But if you have a physical location, pop it in over here. Your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-site website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make slight amendments to it by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller and resize it to suit your needs. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your multi-site's website, you don't need to know any color coding at all. Click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your own kitchen remodeling business, all you need to do is click on that update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a profile. Now, underneath the update action button is where we have those call to action buttons. The text on the buttons you can update, as well as where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file in that section. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, they are super simple as well to connect. All you need to do is click on the yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-sites platform for your kitchen remodeling business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.